I'm back. Oh my God. I really miss vlogging. Actually, gusto kong i-try mag-talk dito sa vlog. Kasi I think, ang unti ng mga nare-release kong vlog. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ba't nag-explain, pero para to kay Leiden in the future. But actually, ang dami kong clips, pero wala akong time mag-edit. So, natatambak siya. Kaya parang pag nag-release ako ng vlog, mga 2 or 3 na. Kasi, ang tagal ng mga clips sa akin na hindi ko na naalala minsan. Actually, marirealize ko, nag-video pala ako ng ganito. Hindi ko man lang nasama. So, anyway, gusto ko maging active. Active for 3 weeks lang kasi 3 weeks lang naman yung vacation ko. So, 3 weeks yung vacation ko and I wanna shoot things. Actually, my finals is done! Ngayon lang ako nag-vlog or nag-video. Kahit yesterday ko talaga officially natapos since yesterday last exam. Pero today kasi nag-clearance pa ako. Nag-shoot ako ng video for one of our projects. Then, nag-clearance ako ngayong hapon. And, kaya medyo, actually plan ko na talagang mag-shoot ng video ngayon. Pero, na-delay kasi yung dad ko nasa hospital. So, mga ilang days din kami sa hospital. Doon ako tumatambay. Doon din ako nag-aaral. Uuwi ako dito para matulog. And, papasok akong school, tapos doon ako tatambay. So, yun, ganun yung naging routine ko. And, since tapos ng finals, is my goal for today, actually, magre-rest lang ako ng very slight, is to clean my room. Papakita ko sa inyo yung room ko later. Kasi finals is equivalent sa decluttering or reorganizing my room, which is my favorite part. Ganito na yung room ko ng 2 weeks na, I think. Yeah, 2 weeks na. Nilabas ko lahat ng clothes ko. So, I can declutter. Meron akong mga binibigay kay Christine. And yung iba is, I don't know kung kailan ko ibibigay. But, yeah. That's it. I miss vlogging so much. So, sana is makapag-vlog pa ako ng mas madami pa soon. Kasi documentation ko siya eh. So, yeah. Hindi ko alam kung sila nanonood nito, pero bye! So, this is the current situation of my room. So, as you can see, parang lahat ng clothes ko nandyan. Yeah, even here. Even my table is dirty. And, yeah. But, actually, hindi na kasi ako nagsistay dito sa room kasi nandito yung araw and sobrang init. As in, di ko alam kung magme-melt ba yung mga Polaroids ko dyan kasi sobrang init. Pero, hindi na ako nagsistay dito. Natutulog ako sa guest room namin. Kasama ko si mama. Kasi mas malamig doon compare here. Kasi, grabe, sobrang init dito. So, yeah. Nandito na lahat. Parang walk-in closet ko to ngayon. Tcharan, walang laman. Kasi I remove all my clothes nga. So, yeah. I'll be decluttering this later. Magpapahinga lang ako. Bye! So, hi guys. Kakagising ko lang. And, gusto ko nang tapusin to ngayon. Or gusto ko lang to mawala sa isipin ko. Because, hindi pa rin siya okay. So, I'm gonna clean it today. And, I think tutulungan ako ni Tintin. Kasi nandito siya. Well, actually, tutulong sa akin eh. Entertain niya lang ako sa mga stories niya na about school. So, yeah. Let's work. Bye! Hi guys! So medyo matagal yung next update ko since I think last video is yung finals pa and ang dami nang nangyari after finals. I think 2 weeks after finals na ngayon. It's the end of May, fiesta dito sa Lucena. And ba't di ako nakapag-update after finals? Kasi I really wanna make a vlog na nagsasalita ako, hindi puro montage ng kung ano-ano. So, wala lang. And natutuwa kasi ako pag binabalikan ko yung previous videos ko, tapos talagang nagsasalita ako. So, I wanna make one vlog na I'm talking, and then after nun, di ko na alam, baka balik montage na lang ulit. So, yeah. After that, finals, kasabay ng finals na hospital yung dad ko. So, medyo in and out again ako sa hospital. And then, after nun, medyo okay naman. And then, I spend 1 week reading. Just reading. I wake up, and then, I'll wake up, and then, I'm gonna eat yung breakfast ko, and then, I'll just read until mag-lunch, mag-prep ako ng lunch ko, or yung food na hinanda ni na mommy. And then, after that, I'll read, and then, I'll sleep. Then, I wake up, eat, read, sleep, and then repeat. As in, yun lang yung ginagawa ko for 1 week. Kaya, I really love yung book na yon. I already bought 2 books after that. So, I'm still reading, which is super fun for me. And then, nagkabagyo. As in, super bagyo. And medyo 3 days kami nawalan ng kuryente. So, ngayon na lang ulit nagkaroon ng kuryente, kaya bukas yung aircon. I'm sorry if naririnig nyo yun. And today, since after yung bagyo, lalabas kami with Polly and of course with Lay. So, super fun kasi maglulukban kami. And iso-surprise namin si Polly. Nasa-stress na kami ni Lay right now kasi 3 o'clock kami aalis and it's actually 3:30. So, hindi namin alam kung paano pa namin mapupull off yung surprise namin para kay Polly. So, Polly, if you're watching this, stress na kami ni Lay. But, yeah, I'm looking forward to it kasi ang dami. Sobrang nade-delay na yung mga plans ko for the summer. First, itong surprise talaga and super na-move na siya. Tomorrow, I'll be going out with Sofia. I'll be meeting her since ang tagal na namin din nagkikita. And then, the day after that, mag-sleep over here si Mara. And naglabas na kami ni Francine, but we're going out again. We're going to the beach. I don't know when, but before June 13, kasi June 13 magsa-start yung aking summer class. Pero I think light lang yung summer class ko for today. And I wanna show you guys my outfit. So this is my makeup. Actually, nagbe-breakout ako right now, as you can see. But I'm good at makeup. And wala akong bangs for today. And I straighten my hair. Kasi wala. Then this is my outfit. I really like this. It looks like a long sleeve, pero it's not. Yeah, and I'm wearing a skirt. I should be wearing like a pants. Kaso I'm more of a skirt girl. So yeah, I'll be wearing my heels. So yes. Bye. It's already 3 minutes. Ano ba yun ang haba lagi? Bye. Okay, preparation for Polly's birthday. Sa likod daw pala dumaan. Wag na yan, mamaya na. Hindi aesthetic, kulay blue. Kainin mo na to, tapon mo dyan sa labas. Mamaya, dito. Bilisan mo baka lumabas. So, meron kaming prepare na cake.
Yeah.
And
Pasabog.
Nasa likod yung design. I think, igaganon ko na lang siya.
Ayun o. Di ba, Paul? 20! Maganda ka sa 21, di ba?
Wait, i-video ko na.
Happy birthday, Paul!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Pasok ka na!
Thank you!
Hello!
Wala, ang ganda!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Paul! Okay lang magkalat? Guys, it's me again, and
another day, another gala. I'm going out with my friend. I'm going out with Sofia. Ang tagal na namin di nagkikita and I think nagkita lang kami is my birthday. And then, sa Inverga nga nagpunta akong school nila pero hindi ko pa rin siya nakita. And yung wedding ng mom ko, yun lang. Pero yung mga events kasi na yun is very close to my heart. Kaya nandun siya. Pero at the same time, hindi pa kami talaga nagkaka-catch up or nakakapagkwentuhan or anything. So today is the day na magkikita kami. And I have said a while ago sa last video ko is I'm really taking my time to go out these days kasi magkakaroon na ulit ako ng pasok sa June 13 and I really wanna spend time with the people who's really close to my heart. Kaya I'm going out with my friends. Sila talaga yung pinaka-closest friends ko. So yesterday, I think gabi na ako nakauwi. Late na. Hindi man late. Around 7 o'clock. And I have a date with Polly and Lay. And then today, I have a date with Sofia. It's a lunch date. Hindi ko alam. Usually, we go out sa afternoon. Hindi ko alam kung ba't kami magla-lunch today. And then, tomorrow, Maya is coming over here to have a sleepover. And then after that, the next day, graduation naman ni Christine. And then, yeah, that's it. Tapos, I'm back with my book. So, I wanna show you my book kasi nandito na siya. So, nasa Iron Flame na ako and this is volume 1. And may isa pang another book which is yung volume 2. This is the second book of Fourth Wing. Wait, yung bangs ko. So, yeah. Diba, naisingit ko pa yung libro ko. But anyway, yesterday, very strong ng makeup ko. Very, basta rough yung makeup ko. But today, my outfit is very simple. I wanna show it once again. This is like a cute fit lang. So, I'm wearing this top, white top, and a skirt. I'm very a skirt girl. As you notice, lahat ng outfit ko more on skirt. And I have my bangs today. Kasi yesterday, wala akong bangs. So, today, may bangs ako. So, yeah, I really like this. I think I'm buying it in another color. So, yeah, that's it. See you later. Love you.
Ay, sa vlog. Kasama ko sa vlog. Kasama ko. Sige, dapat display dito.
Hindi na natingin dyan.
Basta dito. Basta dito.
Oo.
Vlog.
Aesthetic na
Hi.
Tama na. Hi guys, a little update. I actually did do my brows. Naglabas ako and tumambay ako sa labas with Christine because I let her play outside. And when I get back in my room, I'll just clean my room and I started reading. And medyo madilim na. Hindi ko pa ino-open yung lights. Pero it's actually 5:30 na. So I stopped reading and I'm gonna prep for dinner. Alam niyo, hindi ko nagawa yung A Day in My Life. But that's okay. Ina-attempt ko lang naman. Hindi ko nga kayang gawin. So, after dinner, I will just probably read again. I'm halfway through the volume 1. I think ulit, ayan. I'm halfway through the volume 1 of Iron Flame. And I wanna finish it. And I wanna start Powerless. Yun yung next na book na goal ko. But yeah, I look pretty outside. Pero ganito lang ako sa bahay lagi. So, bye! Ang gulo ng camera, pero bye! Hi guys!
Hi,
So,
guys.
we're going out.
Ito pa rin yung bubble gum ko.
We're going out with my dad, with my mom, with everyone. We're gonna eat outside. Finally!
We're gonna eat to the hotel.
Hotel! We're not going to the hotel. We're just going to the food market.
No, we're going to the hotel.
No! So, you should sleep there na lang sa hotel, no?
Yeah.
Okay, bye Christine. Bye!
Christina.
Christina! Bye.
Mama!
So, hi home and just got out of the shower, and this is my night dress. So, naglabas lang kami with my family to eat outside, and after namin kumain, I bought a few things. So, this is mostly for Judy. Sorry, nag-brush ako ng hair ko. But I bought a calculator, and then itong mga hair tie for my hair sa Judy, and paper clips. So, yeah, super happy. But, yeah, and tonight, what I do usually is, I'll be reading. So, ito yung little corner ko. I'll be reading there hanggang makatulog na ako. Because may light doon. So, usually doon ako nagbabasa. And I open my nightstand lang para if I turn off the light, okay lang. But, Kristen will be staying here tonight since graduation niya tomorrow. And I'll be the one magsusuot sa kanya ng medal. So, yeah. That's it. So, I did try my best to film for the whole day. Pero hindi ko lang talaga kaya yung what do you call that? A day in my life. So, that's it. That's what I get. Bye! Good night!
Hi guys. So, pupunta kami sa Korea. Ay, Japanese ba?
Ba't muna tayo lumabas today?
Ay, kasi nag-graduate ako guys.
Wow!
May medal ako. So, sinelebrate namin to sa paglalabas. Magde-date kami. Ni Other. At nagpagupit muna siya. Nag-deposit lang sa bangko. And
Kasama yung nag-deposit sa bangko?
yeah.
Pakita mo naman yung hair ko.
Yan yung hair niya guys.
Walang nangyari.
Jellyfish cut.
Jellyfish cut.
Joke
May
lang,
ganun ba?
trim lang guys. Trim lang. So, pupunta kami sa Japanese or Korean. Korean Mart. Yung gagawa yung sariling ramen. So, tapos maggagawa din akong juice. Ako magagawa ng juice. Tapos, see you later guys. Bye!
Di tayo pupuntang ano? Di tayo magka-carnival? Okay, wala na. Hindi tayo magka-carnival.
Magka-carnival din pala po kami.
Kasi
Nakalimutan.
nagugutom na siya. Bye!
Bye, see you later guys. Vlog na lang kami. Bye-bye.
Vlog na lang kami. So, itatry ni Miss Tin. Yung frisbee! Guys, we're in Manila.
Pagkuhala kayo. Namimili ka pa. Kami ang pumikap lang pa ng dalawa. Oo. Tayo pala lahat.
Kanina pa kami dito. Ay, ko lang naalala mag-vlog. So, yeah. Just me and Tim. And the family. And galing kami sa Quiapo Church. So, pupunta na kami ngayong kakain.
Kakain kami. Pero nakain na ako. Ayaw ni ate.
Ang gulo lang ng buhok ko din. Baka ng buhok. Tanggalin mo ko dyan. Pagkaso natin ni Ito.
Sunny City.
We're at BGC.
Mag-ride kami scooter.
Ano mo ko to kay Buddy? Hi, brother!
So, hi guys! Ang dami ng retake na to. Last take na to kasi gusto ko na mag-shower. Anyway, I just got back home. I'm ending the vlog here today for the vlog. I think plan ko talaga maging detailed sa vlog na to pero first lack of time kasi biglaan to. Actually, kagabi lang namin to plinan. Next is tinatamad ako. And then nagkukulitan kami ni Christine most of the time. So, ayun. Pero, nagkuha naman ako ng ibang clips. So, and I'm happy na actually binidyohan ako ni Mommy dun sa mga clips na syempre, di ko hawak yung phone. Anyway, so, ayun. I enjoy this vlog. I enjoy this day. Super nag-enjoy ako today as in super duper. Kasi, today talaga I took the time to spend it with my family. And we took this trip kasi first is Paris na yung dad ko. He's going back to America. And then it's also my vacation. I have 3 weeks of vacation. And to be honest, we have plans to go to different places. Kasi nga gusto namin sulitin yung bakasyon ko kasi hindi ako nagkakaroon ng bakasyon or conflict sa schedule ko or most of the time hindi talaga ako nakakasama sa kanila. So, ito lang yung isa sa mga trip na nakasama ko. And kaso, na-hospital yung dad ko and nagbagyo. So, super na-interrupt siya and instead of staying to different places for a long time kasi yun talaga yung original plan namin, we decided na day tour or day trip na lang yung gawin namin since mas suitable siya sa mga schedule namin and since malapit na nga umalis yung dad ko, so hindi na rin kaya na mag-stay pa ng matagal sa ibang places. So anyway, kahit ganun, I super enjoy it, super take time, and parang naging bata ulit ako. And third reason is graduation ni Christine. So, nag-graduate si Christine yesterday, and ang dami ding errors doon. Actually, hindi rin ako naka-attend due to personal reasons again. Pero, ayun, graduate siya ng grade 3, di ba? So, ang daming reasons to celebrate this day and I really enjoyed this. Ang hindi lang nakasama sa vlog na to is yung date namin ni Mara. So, na-reschedule na naman siya, na-move na naman siya, and I don't know when. Pero, ayun, super fun itong vlog na to. And I think na-achieve ko yung gusto kong gawin na to talk more on this vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna do it again kasi first, mas madali talaga yung montage lang na ipapatong ko lang yung phone ko and then I can edit it. But actually, I'm enjoying this. So, I don't know. I can't promise anything kasi wala namang nanonood nito. Ako lang din manonood nito. Then, the other one naman is matrabaho siya as tinatamad ako most of the time. And I think last vlog na i-release ko din to before ako mag-summer class. So, ayun. I really hope you had fun today, guys. Kasi, super nag-enjoy ako. May dala akong toothbrush kasi nga, mag-shower ako. And then, well, sa future Leiden, sana lagi mo maalala tong day na to kasi super memorable ng day na to for me. So, I hope you always cherish and remember this day. And, yun lang. I hope maging safe yung flight ng dad ko. Yun lang. And congratulations kay Christine. Bye guys! Thank you so much if you're watching my video kasi actually I really make this video for myself. Like, para may ma-look back ako. It's either for myself or for Francine. Kasi siya lang yung kilala ko nanonood ng vlog ko na consistent. So, yun lang yung ina-expect kong makakita nito. Pero I always look like sa mga vlog and there's like 25 views. Sabi ko, sino kaya yung mga nanonood nito? So, pag nakaabot ka dito, chat mo nga ako. Kasi for some reason, I felt like kaklose ko lang mga nanonood nito. So, if hindi kita kakilala and you're watching my videos, can you please chat me? Kasi wala lang. My heart is. And I think ito na din yung pinakamahaba. Actually, I'm explaining and it's already 5 minutes. And I'm not gonna cut this. So, yun na. Ayoko na. Bye! Love you!